So you're looking to get into fitness, you're looking to join the gym for the very first time, but you're a bit apprehensive in terms of what to expect when walking through those doors. Let's discuss here what you need to know prior to joining the gym. Literally, so many people out there are curious when it comes to fitness. So many people literally, even if they haven't literally stepped in the gym, are interested in what is fitness about. Why do people go to the gym? Is it just simply to look good? Is it simply just to build muscle? Is it simply literally just to burn body fat? But there's so many other aspects when it comes to not only fitness, but going to the gym in general. You know, not all of us can afford so many equipments at home where we can utilize within our own space. So going to the gym helps a huge amount, not only for losing weight, having a healthy lifestyle, but it's also very, very good for your mental health. You know, there's so many people out there that literally go to the gym and literally feel amazing afterwards. You know, the fact that you're trying to live a healthy lifestyle is the first step. The first step, what you should think about when going to the gym. It's not all about trying to impress others. It's not always about, you know, building muscle for Instagram or Facebook or TikTok so you can get the million likes, what other people want. Do you know what I mean? Literally, going to the gym is all about having a healthy lifestyle, setting a realistic standard or a realistic level that you can get to and working towards it. You know, you might not even have a goal. You may just literally want to go to the gym to keep fit. And that's what the majority of people out there do. Not everyone wants to be in a competition. Not everyone wants to be like, you know, a fitness influencer who's got like a shredded body. Some of us literally just want to go to the gym, have an hour or a half an hour workout, and that's it. There's so many advantages when it comes to going to the gym. It's not all about just lifting weights and, you know, running on the treadmill. There's much more to it. Like I said, it's all to do with your realistic goals and having that mental health aspect to it and having a healthy life. So when stepping into the gym for the very first time, I personally highly recommend that you have an induction done. What an induction is simply a member of staff, it could be literally just a general receptionist or a personal trainer will literally go around the gym and just show you what each machine is used for. For example, if it's sort of like a cardio machine, they will show you how to use that particular cardio machine and what it's actually used for, what muscles it works. Similar to weight machines in terms of, you know, if you're looking to build a specific muscle within your body, they will show you what machines can help you build that muscle. Obviously, you know, if you're going to the gym, I'm pretty sure the majority of us would want to work the entire body itself. Literally going around, they will actually recommend what to use for what body parts and so on and so forth. So before even lifting up a weight or even trying to jump on a machine, have an induction done. Because at the end of the day, you may not know how to use it. And this literally is how injuries happen. You know, you might stack on the weights thinking, okay, it looks pretty simple. You have a couple of pull downs, you think, yeah, no problem. You get up, bang, your back's gone. Simply because you overstacked it, you didn't really know how to use the machine. You just thought, let me freestyle, it looks pretty simple, and now you're injured and you've literally just stepped in the gym. So prior to anything, have an induction done. So you've had your induction done. Now what next? You're ready to use the equipment. Do you have a goal? That's my question to you. Do you have a goal? Or is it a case of you're just going to the gym for fitness? There's two things to this, and they both link to each other. If you have a goal, make sure your goal is realistic. I say this in all my videos. Don't think that you're just going to be looking stunning and amazing within 4 or 5 weeks. It just doesn't work like that, especially if you're new to the gym and you're just going for the first time. It's not going to work like that. The second thing is, when it comes to gym membership, I would only sign up to the gym if I'm looking to use that gym long term. If you're not looking to use the gym long term, don't sign up to a membership. You're just going to waste your money. You got to remember, fitness and health, gym work, all that kind of stuff is a part of your lifestyle. So if you're not dedicated enough, why are you joining the gym? Are you just going to go every now and then? Because at the end of the day, if that's the case, you're wasting your money. What I would suggest, you just do a pay as you go. If you're going to go like twice every 3 months, then don't sign up to the gym. Literally just pay as you go. There's so many gyms out there that will allow you to pay on a one-off basis rather than doing a membership. So if you're looking to join the gym, be serious about it. Regardless if you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, regardless of your age group, be serious about it. Try and go as often as possible. You know, utilize the machines that are specific for your goal and your targets. And not only that, make sure you get your money's worth. Because at the end of the day, you're paying for this gym. You know, not everyone's got money just to be coming out of their account direct debit not to be used in the gym? Certainly I don't. Regardless of how much the gym costs, I am not literally going to be signing up to a membership to only use it like once or twice a month. Doesn't work that for me. I'm looking to use it at least the minimum at least once every week, unless I'm sick or I've got an injury, and then obviously that's a different aspect. But if you're signing up to the gym, make sure you use it and make sure you take advantage of it. So when using any of the equipment for the very first time, what I personally suggest is you go light. Go light, get familiar with the machines. Why would you want to stack on something that's extremely heavy when you haven't really used that machine before? Yes, it might look simple to use, but go light, get used to it. Get used to the machine, get used to the treadmill. There's no point in running on the treadmill like crazy if you've never used it before. Get used to it, get used to the feel. Don't just jump in and just think, I've got this, because it doesn't work like that. At the end of the day, you're just going to injure yourself. So with any weight machine or any free weights or anything like that, go light. Go light. Because at the end of the day, you have nobody to impress. Nobody to impress. What will happen is, if you go heavy and you can't lift the weight, you're just going to look like an idiot. You're just going to look like an idiot. Do you know what I mean? And one thing you don't want to do is, if you're going to the gym by yourself and just to impress or just to think that you've got this, so to speak, you try to lift something heavy and you can't lift it and someone has to run over and come to the rescue for you. It's extremely embarrassing. Extremely embarrassing. So, beginners, fitness beginners, go light first. Do not go heavy. Get used to the machine. Get used to the weights. Get used to the cardio machines. And then from there, work your way up. Do you know what I mean? At the end of the day, there's no rush. There's no rush. Your body's not going to change just like that. It's going to take a little bit of time for it to change. But one thing you got to know, when it comes to personal trainers haven't got a magic wand that will literally just change your body like that. Doesn't work like that. Personal trainers are there to help you as professionals, assist you to reach your goal, whatever that may be. So if you're looking to build muscle, they can help with that. If you're looking to lose body fat, they can help with that. Whatever your goal is, that's what they're there to do, help you. At the end of the day, you're still doing the work. So would I recommend a personal trainer? It depends. If you're someone who needs motivating, or someone who, doesn't really want to do their own research in terms of what it takes to reach their goal, and you're just literally going to go into the gym and not have a clue of where to go or what to do, then perhaps you may want to invest in a personal trainer. Bear in mind, when you do join the gym, like I said, for the first time, they go through the machines and they go through what equipment you would need in regards to reaching your goal, depending on what it is. It's a catch-22 at the end of the day. You can do it yourself, or you can invest in a personal trainer who will help you, guide you along the way to reach whatever goal you may be, regardless of if it's building muscle or losing body fat. Personally, I didn't use a personal trainer. YouTube's your friend. Do you know much workouts or how many fitness videos in terms of using equipment or what you need to use in terms of building muscle is on YouTube? Like, what the fitness PTs are going to show you, you can get that on YouTube. It's just the only difference is you've actually physically got someone there saying, okay, perhaps instead of having your knees that low, bring it up to your chest a bit more, and you know what I mean, they can correct you when it comes to sort of like specific exercises, which again is good to ensure that you're doing it properly. At the end of the day, going to the gym for the very first time can be extremely daunting, especially if you, like I said, if you're not familiar with any of the equipment at all. But what I would say is, once you get used to it, maybe 2 or 3 months, and you're passionate about it and you can see results coming through, you are going to love it. You are going to love it. Like I said, just take your time with it. Take your time with it and enjoy it. You know what I mean? A lot of people go to the gym and they, especially like professionals, sometimes they get stressed because they're trying to compete in competitions, and, they may look in the mirror and think, you know what, I'm not muscular like him, or I'm not, slim and physique like her, and it will stress them out. But going to gym should be completely the opposite thing. You shouldn't be stressed. You should be happy. You should have a positive influence on your lifestyle, your mental health. All of these things, going to the gym can assist, and can only assist for the good things. Do you know what I mean? So, like I said, go for it. Stay motivated. Stay, positive at all times. Never rush into things. And not only that, set realistic targets, people. Set realistic targets. But yeah, that's enough from me today. If you're feeling this channel, please feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe.
Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I made those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.